Okay, friends, before we start our makeup, we're going to prime. So after we use a great skincare, we're going to prime the canvas and then we're going to paint, okay? So let us use, I love this lip primer. It is great for any kinds of lines on the lips or up top or just around, so you can put it on the lips and around, and it just creates a really nice prime canvas for you to paint on and put your lipstick on. So we're going to do that. And I like to put it over the color of my lip, right? Because I might want to make my lips bigger or a different shape, and so I want to make sure that I'm priming underneath the lip line and above the lip line as well as on the lips, because I might want to use my lip liner and create a different line. Okay, so we have our tools. It's really nice to have your makeup tools when you want to paint. You can use them for your primer, you can use them for your painting. So this is a brand new set, which I'm going to use. I have a couple sets that I like to use, just like if you're painting. I don't know how many paint, but I have lots of different jars of paintbrushes. And so I have the same thing with my paintbrushes over here. Because you might want to use some different colors and you don't want to have time to clean and or use the other side, or make sure you're going to mess up. Like sometimes if you use one side and use the other side of a paintbrush, you can end up getting the same makeup on. So it's more messy. So I'm going to open up a new set, because all of my set is actually, I still need to open up a new set, but my other set is dirty from Halloween. And I need to clean that one from helping the kids. So you have a really nice powder brush, which I like to use with the translucent powder all over. This one, super awesome contouring brush. Your thumb goes right here. You can create different kinds of shapes to contour. You can do your blush, you can do your contouring, your highlighting. This is wonderful. This set, you can also get brushes individually. So I have multiples of these little brushes, as well as I have also multiples of that, because I want to use different blush. But you have, which one is this? So eye crease. So you've got the eye crease brush, right, to go in the creases and separate and create some definition. You have the all over brush. I also have the cream brush, but that one doesn't come in this set, so that one's separate. So all over brush, really nice for just kind of painting all over, which we're going to do with the highlight, and then we're going to build upon that. And then I love this one, the smudger brush. So we're going to smudge what we're going to smudge? The mahogany, and then the onyx, and so really creating that cat eye, and then mixing those together. And so these are, whoops, let's move that over. A brush set of 5, which is all the ones that you really need. And then also you can get some different ones in case you want to, you know, use your palette more and you have more colors that you want to use. Or if sometimes they get dirty like mine did, and you always have another set. Oh no, there we go. All right, so we got that. What am I going to do here? Actually, I'm not going to put, well, I will put primer on. I'll put primer on my eyes with the all over brush. You can put it on your finger and then you can put that all over your eye, or you can put it on a brush and paint, and making sure that you get everywhere that you are going to put your eyeshadow. So I even put some underneath, because we're going to blend it a little bit underneath and around here for the cat eye, and inside, making sure that when we highlight it, that it's really going to pop. So having your primer will let your eyeshadows pop. Okay, so
this side. So all around, full circle. Okay.
So there's that. Many times I use my foundation brush. That one is dirty from Halloween, so we are not using that one for the primer right now. But you can put it on with your fingers. I like to also put it on with the foundation brush. So like a little pea size of your primer. And you can warm it up in the hands a little bit if you like. And then just put it all over. So everywhere your foundation's gonna go, you can put your primer. All right, I'll see you back for the foundation.